Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the epidemiology. First is the definition, the science of infective disease, their prime causes, propagation and prevention. The science of the mass phenomena of infectious disease or the natural history of the infectious disease. The term epidemiology is derived from the Greek word epidemic. Epi means among, upon. Demos means study, population or people, and logos mean scientific study. So, it is the scientific study of the disease pattern in human population. In the broad sense, it is the study of effect of multiple factors on human health. It is multidisciplinary subject involving those of the physician, biologists, public health experts, health educators, etc. Definitions: the study of disease, any disease as mass phenomena, the study of condition known as reasonably supposed to influence the prevalence of disease. Epidemiology as the study of the distribution and determinant of the disease frequency in man. The widely accepted definition of the epidemiology is the study of the distribution and determinant of health related states or events in specified population and the application of the study to control of health problems. The aims of the epidemiology, according to the International Epidemiology Association, epidemiology has three main aims: the describe and analyze disease occurrence and distribution in human populations, to identify etiological factors in the pathogenesis of the disease, to provide the data essential to the planning, implementation, and evaluation of services for the prevention, control, and treatment of disease, and to setting up of the priorities among those services. The ultimate aims of the epidemiology can be concluded in two following points: to eliminate or reduce the health problem or its consequences, and to promote the health and well-being of society as a whole. Next is the use of the epidemiology, investigation of the causation of disease, genetic factors, good health, environmental factors, the study of the natural history and the prognosis of the disease, good health, subclinical changes, clinical disease, death and recovery. The uses of the epidemiology, description of the health status of the populations. It includes the proportion with ill health, change over time and change with age, etc. Evaluation of the interventions, planning health services, public policy and programs. And recently the epidemiologists have become involved in evaluation and the effectiveness and efficacy of the health services by determining the appropriate length of stay in hospital for the specific conditions, the value of treating high blood pressure, the efficacy of the sanitation measure to control the diarrheal disease, the impact on the public health of reducing the lead activity in the petrol, etc. So in today's class, I discuss about the epidemiology and the uses of epidemiology and their introduction, aim of the epidemiology. Thank you for watching.